As if it can't get any worse, this church was apparently caught singing Kendrick Lamar. I personally can't, should I say that? No, it's not that I can't believe it. I can actually believe it because there are plenty of churches out there who remix all sorts of songs. I mean, Beyonce's one, but this particular song, I don't think I know it. But regardless, anyways, thank you, subscriber, for sending it. Let's check it out.
They not like us, they not like us. Say it loud, church, come on.
Wait, pause. The guy in the background, they know like what? Oh my goodness me, man. Things are getting bad. If you attend a church like this, then you need to leave. If they're like, oh no, it's okay, we can remix, as long as, you know, we're singing about God, but we remix. Yeah, don't do any of that. There's no point putting your soul in jeopardy for people who want to be reckless. You know, let's hear that again.
They not like us, they not like us. Say it loud, church, come on.
So it's actually a song. For the people who know the song that this was referring to, let me know in the comment section down below. But I genuinely couldn't believe this. It was sent, it's a short video, but it was sent to me. I was like, oh, you know what? Okay, let me check it out and see what it's about. And as we just heard, this is it. Let me, is it even possible?
Say it loud, church, come on.
I want to see if I can, because I got this from TikTok. Let's see. Yeah, this is the page that I got it from. I don't know if you guys can see the screen. DJ, is this DJ Academics? I believe it might be, I don't know. But this is where I got it from. So let's see the comment section quickly. This is getting out of this is getting out of hand indeed. Amen, brother, bro. This whole song, this is wicked. Sometimes you gotta pop up. Yeah. Respect Kendrick. Was clearly not a Christian. Drake is dead. This is too demo. This is how the Holy Spirit. Okay, Drake need to. All right, it's too racial. Yeah, this is the world that we're living in. So if you're not careful, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, you could end up thinking this is okay, this is fine, you know, talking about Drake. You're not even realizing what the issue or the problem is. Once again, thank you. Subscribe if you're brand new, like the video, and suggest some more videos for me to check out because it's getting crazy.